The Range Rover L322 has its own issues, but one thing is for sure. The removal process of the spare wheel in this car is very well designed. So let's check it out. After opening the trunk floor, you will see the spare wheel. By the way, you don't have to remove the whole trunk floor. I did it only to have a better view. Usually, to remove the wheel, you have to lean towards it, grab it, lift it up and just then slide it out. This is not a big of a deal in a regular lower car with regular tailgate and with smaller, lighter spare wheel. But in this car, while doing this artistic performance, you can literally break in half if you are not experienced enough. And actually you can break even if you are experienced. So that's why there is a much easier method for this. Removing the wheel center support is obvious, so focus mainly on this plastic piece. This plastic piece is the best designed plastic piece in this car. All you have to do is close the lower tailgate. Lift the plastic piece and stick it into the striker plate of the tailgate. The plastic piece is now not only attached perfectly to the tailgate, but it's designed to press and hold the lower tailgate opening button, as you can hear. This way the lower tailgate gets unlatched. Now you can easily open the lower tailgate, and this way the spare wheel gets lifted enough for a better access. But this is not all, since removing the wheel with a loose lower tailgate would be completely inconvenient. And that's why there is another plastic piece which you simply attach to the side lock and to the side striker plate of the lower tailgate. And with this final step you can easily slide the wheel out without breaking yourself and without having to hold the lower tailgate open. I have never seen a better and more comfortable way to remove a spare wheel from the trunk of a car. However, interestingly, in the facelifted Range Rover L322 made from 2005 or 2006, you can't find this spare wheel removal tool anymore. And why? Well, don't ask me that. But if you want to retrofit this awesome feature to your facelifted L322, then it should be possible if you got the holes for the bolts which hold the straps in place. Here is the part number for the genuine tire lifting strap, which includes the magical plastic piece, and here are the part numbers for the bolts and washers which hold it in place.